channel. Today I am going to show you is the Dji Tello is capable to fly on fog or not. You can see over here totally fog is surrounded, and I am trying to fly the Dji Tello or Ryze Tello, whatever you say. I'm trying to fly it over, and let's see what happens. Can it detect the fog or what happens to it? Let's see. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button, as it inspires me to make more interesting videos. Now you can see the drone is being flying, and I'm trying to send the drone to the more higher level. Now I am sending the drone to the more higher level, and suddenly the drone became out of control and I could not judge where the drone is, and suddenly it crashed over there. You can see here the drone has been crashed, and I found the drone in the bushes. As you can see, the propeller of the drone also get off, and the propeller is lying over there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.